Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Forms to Asana. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows form responses to automatically flow into your Asana projects as tasks, eliminating manual data entry and keeping your team aligned on incoming requests or submissions. To get started, open your Google form on the web. Once you have your form open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the three vertical dots. This is the More menu, and it's where you'll access additional options for your form. Before we proceed, you'll need to make sure that the email notifications for Google Forms add-on is installed. This add-on is essential for creating the bridge between Google Forms and Asana. If you don't have it yet, head to the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for it, and install it to your account. Once the add-on is installed, click the puzzle piece icon at the top of your Google Forms interface. This icon represents your add-ons. From the menu that appears, select Email Notifications for Forms and then click Open App. This will launch the add-on interface where you can configure your integration. Next, click Create and choose Email Notification from the options. This sets up a new notification rule that will trigger whenever someone submits your form. You'll be prompted to enter a notification name, which helps you identify this particular integration later. Then, enter a sender name and email address. These details will appear in the emails sent to Asana, so make them clear and professional. At this stage, you have the option to customize the email subject and body if you'd like to include specific details or formatting. Once you're satisfied, click Continue to move forward. Now comes the crucial step. Head over to your Asana workspace and navigate to the project where you want these form submissions to appear. In the project settings, look for the Import section, then select Email. Here you'll find a unique email address assigned to that specific project. Copy this email address, return to the Google Forms add-on, and paste it into the recipients field. This is what connects your form responses directly to Asana. Click Continue. If you'd like, you can also choose to generate a PDF attachment of each form response, which can be helpful for record keeping. Finally, click Save and Continue to activate the integration. From now on, every time someone submits your Google form, a task or message will automatically appear in your Asana project, keeping your workflow seamless and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.